How to make your account private on X app known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, now in order to make your account private, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home screen at the top left, you can see your profile icon. Tap on this. Next up, select the settings and support option in the bottom. Again, you have to select the settings and privacy. Now that you're in the settings menu, choose this privacy and safety option. After that, you'll need to select this audience and tagging option at the top. From here, you can control who you can share the post to. So in order to make your account private, you can protect your posts and videos so that only your current followers will be able to see that. So you can enable both of these options. Tap on this toggle icon. So it will protect your posts and your videos, which will eventually make your account private. So that's how you can easily make your account private on X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.